Hi, my name is Anuj Gupta, a strategic wealth consultant from Tag Investments. So market में entry करें या market में exit करें? Today we are going to talk about that in a short video format. So just giving you some stats. Market में entry या market में exit क्या करा जाए? So just giving you some thoughts from 2018 till August 2020. This data speaks for itself. On the left side, you see the foreign institutional investors. On the right side, you see domestic institutional investors. So just see the difference or the variation between the what foreign investors think about India and what domestic institutional investors think about India. So generally, whatever foreign institutional investors do, we just do the opposite. So whenever we are exiting the markets, the foreigners actually invest in the market. Whenever we invest in the market, the foreigners actually exit the market. Whenever we exit, foreigners actually see value in the market. Now this is where the irony lies. Whatever we value or whatever is valuable, uh, we are we are not able to see that, and being domestic, but the foreigners are able to see that value in us. So whether to exit or enter, domestic institutional investors shows that they are exiting. Foreign institutional investors, they are entering the market. So the call is up to you whether you think economy or the markets in the coming times are going to do well. You enter, like what foreign institutional investors are doing. And if you feel the markets have been overvalued, then it's the time to exit. What is our call? It's basis on your risk profile, basis on your short-term needs, basis on your mid-term, long-term needs. So given that if you need money in the short term, say short term means 6 months to 12 months, then this is not the time to enter the market, because markets can surprise us on a positive note, on a negative note in the short term. But if you are here to stay invested for 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, then definitely this is the bestest time to enter the markets, because we haven't seen a bull run from last 3 to 5 years, which is really pending, or which we really call a good wealth creator decade. From last one decade, which is 10 years, India has not seen a bull run. Economy of India has not really done well in terms of the corporate earnings, in terms of profitability in the last 10 years. That is where we really see an opportunity in the next 10 years for investors who have a horizon of 5 to 10 years. Then India is the market to enter and not exit. So hope this gives you some clarity and some sense whether one should enter or exit. We've shown you the difference between what is the behavior between a domestic player and a foreign player. So the choice is yours. At the end of the day, I'm sure you would want to take a decision. So in case if we can help you make a decision in terms of entering or exiting the markets, you can get onto a 15-minute strategy call with us. Generally, we leave a link in the description or the comment box, so you can actually schedule a Calendly call with us for a 15-minute by clicking on the Calendly link given in the description box, and we'll be happy to get on to a 15 minutes non-obligatory meeting with you. Thank you so much for the watch, and in case you have not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe our channel to keep listening us for such informational videos in the future. Thank you so much.